Heard you talk about me lately. Hey, baby.
Ignore the bootleg intro, y'all. I forgot to record an intro. So this is gonna be my intro. Y'all already know who channel this is. I ain't gotta do all of that. If you guys wanna see how I got this hairstyle,
you know what?
this 65-inch rope twist, medium size. All you gotta do is keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, so keep watching. Bye. So now that my hair is fully detangled, as you guys can see, it's time to begin sectioning off my hair. I'm not gonna talk through this. It's gonna be kind of like sped up, but y'all can see everything. And so I'm gonna explain a little bit how this process goes, so I don't have to like do too much talking. To be honest, I really don't want to talk about this video, but this is why we're doing the video, because you guys get to see. All right, so let's get this video started. Honestly, this is gonna be hard for me to like try to record me sectioning off my hair because I need the mirror, and the way I have my setup is on a totally opposite side, so it's gonna be hard to set up the camera. If I do it in the bathroom, if I do it in the living room, then I have to take all this stuff out. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna section off my hair with the rubber bands. You can look on YouTube for that, and you're gonna find, you know, people who shows you how to do the sectioning part and stuff like that. So that's basically where I got it from, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing.
She gon' give me water. She's a naughty guy.
I use a little bit of this to clean up my parts. Brushed it with my paddle brush to really stretch the hair, and then threw a rubber band on there. I wrapped the rubber band about like 5 to 6 times per box, and I used this comb to separate the hair, part the hair, or however you want to call it. Regular, simple rubber bands, nothing too dramatic.
She gon' give me water. 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 This your boy, young spray. Yeah. Time set on the beat. I've been thinking about you lately. Girl, you drive me.
So when I wrap the rubber band, I just wrap it 5 to 6 times, separate the hair in 2, and tighten it up. That makes your parts look clean. That's totally optional. That's up to you. If you want your parts to like really come out clean, or you want them to look a little bit more natural, then you loosen up the rubber bands. What I'll be using is Just Glam by Bobbi Boss, and this is the 65-inch in the color 1B. It's a 3x value pack or whatever it is. Like has 3 bundles of 65-inch synthetic hair in one pack, and these were like $5.99 each. I'm not going to show you guys the whole process. I'm just going to show you guys the last 2 and kind of like go into details on how you do it. Okay, period. So I'll see you guys later. I'm excited. Oh my god, I got a long way to go. 4 hours later. Don't believe YouTubers when they be like 2 hours. It's not 2 hours. Especially, well, I don't know, but this length, this is 64 inches. Period.
Everything that you guys are about to see is pretty self-explanatory. Just pay attention and then everything will work out.
Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to let you down. Baby, I'm sorry. It ain't the same when you're not around. Forgive me. Don't leave me. break up with you. She wants me to wake up. And I don't wanna break up with you. She wants me to wake up. And I don't wanna break up with you. She wants me to wake up. Gotta make up.
I'm pulling it to the length that I want it on this side. It's really long. And I keep a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit on that side. This hair was not known until now that I gotta show y'all. And it just
First time we saw, shawty wanna ride with a nigga from the block. I'm high off the gas, baby. Let's go to we can go to my place, baby. It's alright. You don't have to hide your face, baby. Don't be shy. Alright. Baby, take your time, do that thing that you like. Girl, you know you on fire. Alright, alright. We at where we supposed to. I put you in the ghost, yeah. I stay on my grind, ballin' like a pro. My baby knows she bad, she back to the bone. Fashion killer, all she wears designer. No tip on a timer, girl, you stay shining, yeah. You can be my number one.
All the way to the end. All the way to the end.
You can be my number one. we can fuck around. Every time she pull up, she shut it down. She making daddy proud, drop her body to the gravel. She making daddy proud, drop her body to the gravel.